Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the SE or 5E error on your Samsung 7kg WF1752 WPC washing machine. Now this repair will also cover other Samsung washing machines. An SE or 5E error is an error that's related to the draining of the washing machine. So the first thing that I would do if you get that error is you want to check your filter to make sure there's nothing clogging up your filter. These machines have a filter on the bottom right hand corner. So if you get a flat screwdriver or a butter knife, put it in a slot here and twist it like that. Now what you want to do before you pop that open, there's a cap here, a black cap, which you can twist anti-clockwise to open it. That's where it catches all the lint, coins, hairpins, anything anyone's left in their pockets will end up in there. And that's where your drain pump is as well. So you can imagine after a while, something will get caught in there and it will stop your washing machine from draining the water out. And then you get a 5E error come out on the display here, or an SE error, depending on how you read it. So let's follow these steps to troubleshoot that problem for you and hopefully get it sorted. So you want to get a towel, a scrap towel or an old piece of clothing, and you want to put it just under that flap, because when we open this thing anti-clockwise, water's going to come out. So we want to make sure that we've got that thing taken care of. I'll move in a lot closer for you so that you can see this thing that I'm talking about, that thing there. So you just twist it anti-clockwise and then it should come undone. As you can see, some water's already coming out. So water's going to come out like that. Yeah, so you see how handy it is to have a towel there. Ooh, a bit overkill, but you need a towel there. That's what's likely going to happen in your laundry. You're going to need a towel there to take care of that mess. So what we're looking at when we're saying a filter is this bit, this thing. Something will get caught in there. So just try to mop up as much of this water as you can. And then we'll be right. So you're gonna need to have a towel or something there. And it will be helpful to have a look inside there. At the very end, something might be stuck in there. I'll try to move you in a bit closer so you can see what we're talking about. See, if you look inside there, there's that red thing in there, the back, or the very back there. That's where your motor is, your drain pump is. You want to make sure that thing is spinning freely and nothing obstructing it. If you've done that, then you know you've got that covered, and then you know it's a separate issue. So if you've checked that and there's nothing stuck in there, then that means your drain pump needs replacement. Now, it's not a very hard fix. You can probably get it done with a screwdriver, a new pump, and a bit of patience. So when you're done, just put that cap back in, screw it in anti-clockwise. Sorry, screw it in clockwise. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, so when you're ready, what we're going to try to do is put the washing machine on its side. this side so we can access the drain pump, which is at the bottom of the washing machine. Now I've got a trolley which I can use. If you don't have a trolley, get a blanket or a towel and put it next to the washing machine, and then gently put down your washing machine like that. All right, so mine's on its side now. You can see how I've put it on its side on my trolley. You can do that. You can do the same, except with a towel or a blanket. So what we want to do now is you want to move over to the back of the washing machine, the bottom of the washing machine now, which is this bit. You see how you've got a metal plate here? This metal plate needs to come off because your drain pump is right over here. So we're going to need to get some access in there. There's 6 screws holding this thing in. So you're going to need your Phillips head screwdriver to drive those out, and that will take care of your problem. Just going to move this a bit forward. It's handy to have a trolley around the house, eh? So what you want to do is take out those 6 screws, and then you have access to your drain pump. So we're gonna take off one, and the main thing is remembering where to put all your screws so you don't lose them. If you need a drain pump, I've got a link in the description below where you can buy one. These are the ones I use every day, and they've never given me a problem. It'll cost you about $50 to $60 and some elbow grease to get this error sorted. Right, got the top ones out. We get the bottom ones out now. Take your time with these screws, because if you rush it and you strip a screw, you'll have some trouble trying to remove that screw. Okay, 5 down, 1 more to go. So again, 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom, opposite each other. Okay. We got him out. Fantastic. Now to take it off, just pry it out. Ooh. All right. Now your drain pump is that bit there. So this bit there at the back, that's your drain pump. That's what we're trying to take off. So to take it out, there's 3 screws holding that thing in. 3 screws. So if I move in a bit closer, you got 1 here, 1 there on the side, and 1 just opposite that on the top there. You can easily see them once you've got everything out, and then you can open it. So let's go ahead and take our screws out. Remembering to put them somewhere where you can see them so you don't lose them. So 3 screws. 2. And 3. All right, now to take it out, you just pull it out. There'll be a bit of water. That's all right. You want to pull out the terminals. There's 2 terminals there, 1 and 2. You want to pull those out. That's it. You got your old pump out now. If you fill it like that, sometimes you feel some loose spots and some tight spots. So you basically need to change this, and then you'll be good to go. So as I said before, we're going to replace it with another drain pump. So I got that one ready. Quality Italian built drain pump for your Samsung washing machine. The link is in the description below. What you want to do before you put in your new pump is you want to clean the inside there. You want to clean it on the inside so that it's nice and clean. If you have a look there, see how there's some bits of dirt there in there? That can cause problems. It can start leaking as soon as you change that pump. So what you want to do is you want to clean that up. A nice clean cloth. Make sure it's nice and clean. And there we go. It's good. Now we are ready to put in our new drain pump. Easily save yourself some money on repairs. So to put it back, don't put the terminals in yet. Putting it back is you have to line it up. Make sure that every hole has got somewhere it's going into. So you want to be using the previous holes that the old one was in, and you gently put it in, making sure that it goes in uniformly, that it's not sticking out on one end and going in on the other. If it goes in uniformly, that seals properly. If you want, you can lube it up a bit with some grease. A little bit of grease or Vaseline can do the trick, but if you're confident enough that you can line it up properly, you should be right. Don't lose your screws. Oops. All right. So what we got here is line that up, screw it in. There we go. Remember to plug back in the terminals, otherwise it's not going to drain. So the next thing you want to do is you want to put the plate back at the bottom. And once you've done that, you'll be good to go. Easy as that. That's how you replace the seal, the pump on your Samsung washing machine, and take care of that SE or 5E drain error. And what you also want to do while you're down here is just feel this drain for any obstructions, anything that's just obstructing it. And you also want to have a look at your carbon brushes just down there. So your motor is here, your carbon brush is here. But I've got another video explaining how to check them and to maintain them to make sure that they don't run out on you and cause a problem for your board and get the annoying 3E error. Alright, that's all for today folks. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time, cheers.